In today's video, get ready to step into a world of festive magic and endless joy. This Christmas, Resorts World transforms into a carnival of joy, where vibrant holiday decor sets the perfect scene for capturing unforgettable memories. Indulge in the thrill of exciting games with amazing prizes and shop for thoughtful gifts that bring extra cheer to the season. For families, the celebrations continue with a universal Christmas, offering wickedly fun activities, or you can dive into the underwater wonder of a merry reef adventure. And for food enthusiasts, the holidays are all about indulgence. Savor decadent holiday flavors at the resort's signature restaurants, where every bite feels like a celebration. This festive season, immerse yourself in a big world of excitement at Resorts World. Let the magic begin. Step into a festive wonderland at the Level 1 Carnival Market, where the spirit of celebration comes alive with vibrant colors, cheerful music, and an exciting array of attractions. This bustling market is the heart of the holiday season, offering something for everyone to enjoy. Wander through rows of stalls brimming with unique gifts, handmade crafts, and delicious treats that are perfect for the season. From festive ornaments to trendy accessories, you'll find thoughtful treasures for everyone on your list. The aromas of freshly made snacks and holiday delights fill the air, tempting you to indulge in sweet and savory treats that capture the flavors of the season. But the fun doesn't stop there. The carnival vibe is in full swing with lively games, exciting challenges, and the chance to win prizes that will add an extra spark to your festive outing. The atmosphere buzzes with joy as families and friends come together to make memories amidst the colorful decorations and holiday cheer. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in the magical experience of the Carnival Market at Level 1, a perfect blend of shopping, entertainment, and festive charm that will leave you in awe this holiday season. As you make your way toward Crawford's Tower, the atmosphere subtly shifts, blending the excitement of the present with the echoes of a storied past. The path leading to the tower is lined with scenic views and charming details that heighten the anticipation of what lies ahead. This holiday season, Vivo City transforms into a magical Monopoly-themed wonderland, bringing the iconic board game to life in vibrant and festive glory. Towering Christmas trees adorned with Monopoly-inspired decorations create a dazzling centerpiece, while life-sized game pieces, like the classic thimble, race car, and top hat, make for perfect photo opportunities. Stroll through the whimsical displays featuring colorful houses and hotels that transport you straight onto the board. Keep an eye out for festive light installations that illuminate the nights, casting a warm holiday glow over the bustling mall. It's a celebration of the season with a playful twist that will delight both the young and the young at heart. Whether you're a Monopoly fan or just looking to soak in some Christmas cheer, Vivo City's Monopoly Christmas decorations promise a festive experience unlike any other. Gather your family and friends, roll the dice on holiday fun, and let the magic of Christmas at Vivo City enchant you.